What's up, everybody? CMDK here, and we are back on the hunt. Now with the newest my ship called the Lawbringer. I will be starting my own Discord and stuff like that called the Lawbringers. Anyway, I'm here with a few of my trusty fellow sailors, and we are about to explode this guy. Stop your ship now! Hey, tell him to stop, tell him to stop, tell him to stop. I am.
Stop your ship.
Stop your ship now.
Stop your ship. Stop your ship.
Hold fire.
Stop your ship. Stop it.
Hit your
down.
anchor.
Okay, yep, kill him.
Oh, hell no.
Bitch.
Oh, no. Yep.
Thank you for stopping your ship. Whoever. I think the other guy went up top, or is he dead as well?
No, he's dead. I did.
You admit that?
Hey, I deserve that. Oh, wait, there's another one back there.
Yeah, there's another one back there.
Alright, hang on. Let's tail the ship.
I had to bring the inventory up. Hold
Another
on.
ship out there.
Hold on. Before you destroy this one.
Alright, hang on. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it.
Gotta turn to our. Yeah, we gotta turn to the right a bit. What's the name of the ship? Okay, yeah, they're both about 500 here. I was seeing their price value on both of them.
And everybody, that is back with sale. We